This classic garden green salad recipe is the easiest salad to make, and it pairs perfectly with pretty much anything. Crispy, fresh, with a sticky vinaigrette. Hey guys, I'm Nick, and on this episode of The Scran Line, I'm going to show you a classic green salad recipe. It's really simple. It probably doesn't need a video, but I'm going to show you how to make it anyway, because I think everybody needs to know how to make a good green salad. You can serve it with fish, meat, or vegetable recipes. It goes with anything. Let's begin with that sticky salad dressing. We're going to be adding some olive oil to a jar. Make sure it has a lid. I'm going to be using date syrup because I like the sweetness and flavor that it has. But if you can't find date syrup, just use honey. Some balsamic vinegar in there for some tang, some garlic and salt. Pop the lid on top and give it a good shake. This is the easiest way to make a good salad dressing and mix it all up properly. Otherwise, you can pop it in a bowl and just whisk it together with a fork or a whisk. Set that aside and let's move on to the veggies. Now, you can use any type of green veggies or any type of salad ingredients you like, but this is what I like to use. I'm going to be using some rocket. I'm going to roughly chop that up and make sure it's washed and dried. I'm going to be using some radish because my mum gave me these from her garden and I love the color that they have. Slice those up. Now with the cucumbers, I'm using Lebanese cucumbers. I've washed and dried those as well. You're going to scrape down the center of them because that's where all the water is, and I like to do this because it gives you a nice crispy cucumber. Slice those up. We're going to be adding some pecans because I love the caramel flavor that these have, mint because I love mint, and cos lettuce. Now with cos lettuce in Australia, you have to wash it. You're going to wash each leaf separately under running water, and then you're going to dry it if you have a salad spinner. It's optional, but I like to do this because it means that your salad isn't going to be as soggy. Just roughly chop that into a large bowl, add all of your salad ingredients and give those a good toss. Then add your dressing, toss it again, add it to your serving plate if you want to. Garnish it with some extra chopped pecans and radishes, a little bit more vinaigrette, and that's it guys. Now, I mostly made this video because my little brother has moved out of home and I don't know if he's going to watch this, but I'm going to start making a couple recipes that I think he needs to learn how to make. And if you're in the same situation or you're wanting to learn how to cook for a special someone or for yourself, here's a really great green salad recipe to begin with. The recipe for this is on my website at scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. Have a lovely day and I'll see you all on the next episode of The Scran Line. Bye!